out today. We out here and we hunting some birds out here in the woods behind Mama's house today. We got me here today, and we got him here today.
That's me.
That's him right yonder. Well, hold on, let me point my gun away. We spotted us a bird down yonder, and we gonna go
right over that way.
Right down there. Yep.
Right yonder, about north, west, eastward.
He's pretty much he's aiming eastward right now.
He's that way.
So we gonna get the camera here. We're gonna tote it on down yonder. We're gonna film this here hunt. I believe it's gonna be pretty successful.
Pretty successful.
Yeah, what he said. Now we're gonna go through this brush here, pretty thick through here, and I think we can get pretty close to the bird. Okay, so let's get on with it. By the way, we're hunting behind Mama's house today. She's been having some trouble with these birds, so we're gonna take care of them for it. Let's roll with it then.
They stealing her beeswax tobacco.
They sure is. Alright. Alright, you stay right behind them, so I don't get you with the gun. I'll call for you when I want you to come on in, you hear?
Okay, brother.
Come on behind me now.
Oh, he is a nice man.
Okay. I just spotted some movement. Aim it right there. Aim it right over there. Alright, we just spotted some movement. I think there's a squirrel right yonder. Right,
let me go check that out a second.
Check it out for me. I'll wait right here.
Folks, I do tell you what. There is some good, big game animals around Mama's house. I mean, there is just rabbits. There's foxes. There's squirrels. There's birds. There's rabbits. I mean, just all sorts of big game animals. I mean, thick-meated, big game animals. I mean, that's all there is to it, really. I mean, I wonder. Well, there is no sign of no squirrels around here.
See anything over yonder?
No, there won't not one thing. Yeah, I'm sure, brother.
Before I seen that. Alright, anyways. Okay. That bird's right yonder. Through them bushes. Alright, I'm gonna sneak in. I'll call you over there when I'm ready, okay? Watch me sneaking through these bushes. Got to go real quiet.
Do you see him?
Be real quiet. Real quiet. Got him.
That's him right there. That's him right there.
I'm gonna get my prop here. He ain't moving so far. I think we're gonna get. You got the camera on him?
I sure do.
You ready?
Take a shot when you're ready, brother.
I got him. He's dead. He's down.
Yes, sir.
He's down.
We got him.
He's down.
Yes, sir. Let's go get this here bird out here yonder.
Yes, sir.
Please do go get this.
We got him. He's down.
Look at the size of this red bird.
Prop my gun up right here. Look at the size of this bird.
That is a full-blooded cardinal.
This here's a pretty bird right here. Yes, sir, buddy. We killed him. He's about, how far is that, you think? About 25, 30 yards? Right?
Yeah, it's about 32 and a half.
32 and a half yards, right?
Yes, sir. Right there in that tree.
Killed him with the 22.
Killed him dead, and he's just dead.
With the 22 rifle.
The 22 rifle with the silencer.
With the silencer on it. We killed him for 32 and a half. Let me get a pic. Let me pose with this. bird right here.
Please pose with this bird so I can see.
Right here. Let me pose him on my leg here.
Open up his, let's see his wingspan. Let's see the wingspan on this
He got a
creature.
nice wingspan on him. What's that, about 5 feet?
It's about 5.5 feet right there.
5 feet. He got a
Right there. He got a little limp on his
He
head.
got a little.
He took some bullets.
That's about 5 feet right there.
5 feet right there.
I got him with a clean shot through the brisket.
Right through the
Mom's
brisket.
gonna be so happy. She gonna be happy. Oh my.
We're gonna have to call Mama.
Mama.
Get the
Mama.
stove ready.
Mama.
The skillet.
I done killed him.
We killed that cousin that was stealing your bucker.
We killed. Let's go show it to Mama.
Let's go
I'll see
show it.
y'all later, folks.
This has been me, and this has been him.
Yeah, we'll see y'all later,
We'll
folks.
see you later.